Hey, this is Z. It's October 27th, and I'm on site here at the St Townhouses project. And today we are digging out the footings for the foundation. We've got the retaining wall installed. You can see that from the back side here. We've got the blocks in with the gravel behind it to keep them well drained to minimize any pressure on them. And then I'll give you a little shot here from the front side of the retaining wall, kind of circling the property in the back. And then we've got the footings dug out, and on one side we've got the footings dug out, the other side we've actually got the rebar installed here. So you can see the rebar. We've got three strings of rebar on the bottom and then one on the top. We've got these little plastic chairs to hold them up off the ground, and then we've got one lifted up to give it good support going both across and vertically. And we will get that inspected by the city tomorrow. They'll inspect all the footing, rebar, and make sure it looks good, and then we will pour concrete on Friday, I believe. That's tomorrow. We'll pour the concrete for the footings, and then we can start installing the blocks after that. And that's all for today.